This is how I secure my name as the Elon Musk of stupid ideas. No. We're not doing the whole
Oh, Fortuna
thing. That's the Captain shtick. Play my music. And if you're curious, it just goes in right there. Now, all we do is we plug it in and hope nothing blows up. I don't think it's sized with the right size screen. Oh, okay. Well, we've got a desktop, a wrongly sized desktop, but a desktop nonetheless. And I'm running it all off this Retech here. I should be. Is user Pi interfaces. Or just try Tom's Tickle Basement. This image was from a Raspberry Pi 3, so it might be a little wonky on the 0, I guess. Color splash screen. It's supposed to be 3 raspberries. That's extremely strange because we know we have a Raspberry Pi 0WH with a soldered header already.
Okay, well, the read pass is just about finished. Let's see how long it takes to actually, format the thing and write what's supposed to be written onto it. Or if I basically just wasted an entire frigging afternoon. And here we go. We're writing the image. About 0.1% per second. Hey Google, how many minutes is in 1,000 seconds?
1,000 seconds is equal to 16.667 minutes.
Oh,
to convert from seconds to minutes, divide the time
Google.
value by 60.
That's enough. The image is almost written. So, then we'll be able to get up and actually see if this whole mess that I've thrown together actually works. Or rather, if it works properly, but I guess that's another question entirely.
So, we've got Buster installed on a USB device, technically, but let's see what happens when we plug this in. Alright, there we go. We get the color splash screen. Size root file system. Booting in 5 seconds. Okay, looking good. Oh, there we go. Welcome to the Raspberry Pi desktop, powered by Raspbian. Boot mount, setup service, networking service. Okay, so press next to get started. Certainly. I pressed next. Okay. I did. Language. Next, setting location, please wait. Yeah, it's not such a big deal. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Searching for networks, please wait. Okay, we're now hooked up to my Wi-Fi. The operating system and applications will now be checked and updated if ready. This may involve a large download. Please press next to update software or skip to continue without checking. Well, I just got it out of the box, might as well update it. Checking for updates. Got a bit of an update list, apparently. Reading update list. Fear my laser dot. Roar. Oh yeah, there's my new servitor. Not enough DACA. Roar, feel my wrath. I'm going to destroy you with the power of an Imperial las gun. Don't you worry, it's twin-linked. And here's some just testing I did. Obviously, it's not very ergonomic to be typing literally from your arm, but whatever, it works. And now we're actually downloading and installing the updates. Let's go online. Do a Facebook, unfortunately. But this might look like black, but actually, it's receiving an infrared. Yeah, it's upside down. But see? It's capturing me in infrared in 8 megapixels. That'll be on for about 8 minutes. If I turn this infrared flashlight off, you see that's not actually regular light. If I turn this off, it goes out. There's no real trickery going on here. But yeah, this is just an upside down view of my room in night vision. Okay, so I've got an 18-inch flex cable for the Raspberry Pi camera. I've got the connector I need to adapt Raspberry Pi's cable, the Raspberry Pi Zero's cable to full-size cable. And, well, that should be good. This is how I secure my name as the Elon Musk of stupid ideas. Okay, let's hit the power switch on my helmet. And this is an infrared flashlight. This is the one that's going to go on the helmet. That pink thing is usually what cell phones see infrared as. However, the NoIR thing just sees it as black and white, if I recall correctly. So we're going to use this as an illuminator, even though I can't see any of this. So, I've got all of this correct. I should be able to just hit the noir.py, activate it, and it should, once it loads and actually does the thing, I should get a 10-minute infrared look. And there we go. That's what the camera currently sees. I mean, it's currently quite dark. Let's shine a light behind me. I can't see this light at all. But the camera picks it up like no one's business. See this? Got all the plates epoxied on. I got the camera epoxied on. Got this put in place. Well, this epoxy putty seems like it's starting to harden. It's not really malleable anymore. I'll show you that it still works. And here we are.
And this is what this particular recording looks like. It's probably a little bit better than the thing I was just doing, but unfortunately the illuminator I have is either crap or it just outright blows out the image. So, I mean, for night vision it's not going to be great, but I guess we'll see what happens. Also, it looks very pink, which is probably due to the fact that it's getting a lot of infrared light thanks to the NoIR filter here.
So, I guess that concludes my build. Hope you enjoyed.